How to use auto clicker on iPhone. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to use auto clicker on iPhone. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open your settings, then here click on accessibility. After that, here simply click on switch control, then here go to the switches section, then here click on add a new switch, then here simply click on the screen option, then here click on full screen, then here under system simply click on tap. After that, your auto clicker will be enabled. So in this very simple way you could fix your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video, and share this video to your friends and recommend them. So this much for today's video. Until the next video, bye bye.